Hey guys, it's Sup. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we are the hosts of Sup.
Yep.
Today we are making Chaulafan de Quinoa, which is an Ecuadorian Chinese fusion.
Yes, the Chinese immigrated to Ecuador, and hence the fried rice Ecuadorian fusion dish, Chaulafan de Quinoa.
This is very healthy because quinoa is one of the healthiest foods in the world. It contains all 9 amino acids and lots of other nutrients.
Yeah, Sarah, did you know that quinoa has actually been cultivated for 6,000 years in Peru?
Yes, I knew that.
Oh, she knew that.
So let's get started.
Let's do it.
We're going to heat 5 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan that has a lid and lightly toast the quinoa and rice together for about 15 minutes.
All right, now I'm going to add the 2 cups of water, and this is going to steam a lot, so that's why you're going to want to put the lid on right away. And that steam will help to cook the rice and quinoa. I wish I knew.
Now I'm going to peel and mince 2 cloves of garlic.
So I just cut off both of the ends of the pepper. Now I'm gonna de-seed and de-pith it. The pith is the white stuff. This stuff, it's really bitter. You don't want to eat it.
Our rice is ready. It took about 30 minutes and now it's done. So the next step is to heat up the next frying pan and add a tablespoon of oil. We're going to cook everything until it's soft. So now we're going to add the quinoa and rice mixture. Quinoa is a tall crop plant grown in Peru, Bolivia, and Chile.
And it has been eaten and cultivated for more than 6,000 years.
By the Incas, and they still eat it today. The next step is to scramble an egg with a tablespoon of onion and a handful of chopped parsley and salt. Then we're going to add the egg to the quinoa mixture. In Ecuador, a Chinese restaurant is called a chifa, and this is made in almost all chifas. So now we're going to try it. Let's see how it tastes.
Let's do it. Good. Perfectly seasoned. The onions and garlic taste really good in this. I love quinoa. The rice complements the quinoa. Vice versa. Carrots and peppers are a nice fresh taste to the dish. There's that onions.
If you want more recipes like this, you can get our book, Snackcation. Here's the Chaulafan page. You can get this on Amazon by searching Snackcation. And for more videos like this, go to our IGTV at Supkids Cooking or go to our website, supkidscooking.com.
Yes, please do.
Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Bye, guys. Dig in.